Hello, guys. In case you haven't seen the latest, are you aware that the second phase of hot mining is coming? And not just coming soon, it's coming on the 10th of this very month, which is March. So, and other information is here like having all fireplaces produce less hot, new boosters, more hot to active users, hot transfer from village treasure. The village can help you to boost your account. So what does all this mean? So let me go through everything with this information. So like I said, second phase of the hot mining is coming 10th of March, which means that this first one for the halving, all fireplaces produces less hot. So what does this mean? It means that all mining speed will be reduced. So if you are getting 0.6, like for me, I'm getting 0.6 hot in 6 hours, which means I'm getting 0.1 hot in per hour. It means that I will not be getting 0.05 per hour instead of 0.1. So now whatever you are getting or you are mining in a particular until the storage gets full, then you divide it by 2, so you get half of what you are mining. So is this a good news or is it bad news? I would say it's a good news. Why is that? Because it creates less supply of hots. So you get to mine lesser supply of hots. So the circulation of hots will be reduced. So and once it's reduced, so there will be a high demand of hots and there will be less supply. So you know the law of diminishing return. So when there is high supply, when there's high demand and low supply, the price always goes up. So it's a good news. Why the new boosters more hot to active users? So if you have been mining hot ever since you started and you do claim every time, every day you do claim every day, yes, there's good news for you. It means you'll be getting more hot. So for being active in mining hot. So the last one, hot transfer from village treasure. The village can help you to boost your account. So for people struggling to boost their accounts, like upgrading their accounts, so they're not going to create a way now for the villages now to now assist their members to help them grow their account so they can mine faster. So meanwhile, I know a lot of you are not in any village yet. So if you're not in any village yet, so just I will drop a link to my own village, to the village I joined, to the village I joined. So you can join the village also. All right. So guys, and one more thing. Let me show you guys this thing in case you guys are missing out. Let me show it to you. So, because I've noticed that a lot of you guys have not done this particular thing. What do I mean? At the very top like this, close to the verification badge by the right, the first one by the right, if you click on that option, you will see your address, you see seed phrase, you see recover inviter. So on this particular recover inviter, I see that most of you, that place is empty. So you should always recover your inviter. You can decide to use my address, or if you have the person who referred you address, you can use theirs. So you can use this wetwatch.near as your referrer and or recover inviter. But if you see a message that your hot is too big, that you cannot recover inviter, what does that mean? It means that you need to upgrade first. So once you upgrade and you have lesser hots, I think lesser hot than 4 hots, I think lesser hot than 4 hots. Once you upgrade, then you can try it again to go through. All right, and guys, don't forget to always refer. It's very important to refer. And if you want to know more about hot, you can check my previous videos. I have a complete video tutorial about understanding hot, so you can check that out. It's about 23 minutes long. So because I explained everything, the nook and the crannies of hot, everything you need to do to get it right in hot mining. All right, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and also join my Telegram group where you can be getting more updates about legit airdrops and other things. So guys, I see you on my next video.